Have you ever felt a little different? Like you just don't quite fit in? I know all too well from my personal experience of losing my hair to alopecia multiple times that looking different can make you feel isolated, uncomfortable, and like you need to hide your true self. And throughout my 10 years of being a professional makeup artist and a leader in the alopecia community and traveling all around the world, I've seen time and time again that there are far more of us feeling this than we even realize. So I decided to flip the script. You deserve to be seen, and you deserve to feel celebrated, and you definitely deserve to lean into whatever it is that makes you different. It's been my dream to create a space where others can come to celebrate whatever it is that makes them different and master artistry like a pro. And that space is finally here. Welcome to Wrenegade Collective. In this first of its kind community, I'll be teaching live makeup workshops every week, helping you feel courageous, fearless, and creative on another level. You also get access to our incredible community of renegades. These are wonderful, inspiring people from all around the world, here to support you, to celebrate you, and lift each other up through our collective love of artistry. You'll get access to exclusive discounts from some of my favorite makeup brands who believe in this mission and want to support our community. We'll also have surprise guest speakers, some of my favorite renegades from around the world. These are people who ferociously celebrate being unique. I'm so honored and excited to welcome you to our renegade community, and I hope you stay a while. I love you, and I'll see you on the inside.